Now then, Meimei, what surprise have we got today?
Surprise! How about you never tried this before?
Oh, no. Ooh. Now, now then, am I going to like it? Am I going to like it? Am I going to like it? Flour, rice flour.
Go on now. Like a sesame.
Oh, them sesame seed type thing. Yes, yeah.
Yes. What do you say?
Oh, yeah. That's got. I've got in the middle of it. It's got like a filling to it. Nice. I like them. Yeah. Meimei, if this was made in UK,
Yeah.
it would have a lot of sugar in it and sickly stuff, and that's not good. This is it's quite pleasant, very nice. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, it's a new taste. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll put a little bit sugar because when I
Plain.
plain.
But
I just put a bit
yeah,
sugar.
no, I'm not criticising that. No, but if that was English, that would have all. It was so sweet. It was sickly. You look very nice.
I'm a single today.
No, you're not.
I've got spiders there, you know.
You're not.
You're cute like that, aren't you?
You're spoken for.
Are you going anywhere tonight?
You think you will.
Sessionally.
Hello. Good?
Да, рейка, да? Не, расконя.
Deine Quote ist gut. But I think you can buy, but you can sell for... The very best is better. Kill. So what is that? Doggy?
Lamb.
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 Good?
His name was Lamb.
It's not spicy.
Agata, ty pierwsza do zwolnienia jesteś.
This is lamb. This is lamb from Roy's throat. Gdzie masz piwa? Podam mnie moje lodówce.
Too special. No.
Noki w tej małej tutaj.
Poważna.
Not enough.
Just make party and everybody cooking. No! Okay, it's already good. That's it.
Rozpędzuje oczy.
Ale tańcujesz z pustą szklanką, nie!